Hey everyone, it's Chris for Hidden Room again. It's been a little while since I've been back, and let me start off. I want to thank Jordan and, well, Jordan. Steve, good job too, but Jordan has really been just cranking out the videos and all of a particular quality, which is nice. Like
we must get on with our sacred mission.
He's able to maintain a consistency that's impressive. Thing is iffy. So here we are. Purpose of this video is it's a newer feature I'm trying out. We're going to call it the fridge, and the reason for that is because of this. Did you guys hear that? Yeah, is that a nightmare in your speakers? Sorry about that. That is a can of poison. All right, now this game is Mad Max, and RockStar Energy Drink thought, yeah, that's pretty cool. So they got together and they said, let's do some stuff. And they did. Now, let's start off here. After drinking this can of poison, I did get a code, which I went to their website, which, Google Mad Max and RockStar Energy. You'll find it. Register, all of that. And then I got, because I drank the original flavor, I got the Pentacle Gulp Cut. Now, this thing is the star of the desert, all right? Calling all true believers. Follow me and thirst no more. Blinded by bling, your enemies will fail from parchness. Wow. That probably could have done a second look over before they sent that out. And anyway, it doesn't matter. That's the one I got for the original flavor of poison. Now, flavor that does give you another thing, and I'm gonna look into getting that. I didn't see any others in the store. Otherwise, I promise, guys, I would have bought it and poisoned myself twice. But for now, this is all I've got to show you. The other one is called the Rock Mall Brawler hood ornament. Now, this one gives. Let's go ahead and throw this on my car. Getting rid of my sweet knives one. Goodbye. And now I work for RockStar. So the other but now you may be asking yourself, I've drank a can of poison, I've gotten my little thing for my car. Is that all they've got for me? No, it isn't, because we go, I'll learn the menu. We go on the map here, down here on this death run, which it's been a while since I've seen you guys. Look at all this stuff I did on my map. It's got like different regions. I've met Pink Eye. Have you met Pink Eye? Probably. It's been a while. If you guys are playing this, you've had time. So okay, let's get going. You don't want to sit here while I ramble. You should probably just leave them, because that's what this is going to be. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you down to this death run, and what that is, that's also a tie-in with RockStar, where they give you a car that handles so poorly. Now, like, I've gotten real used to my, you wouldn't think it with the way I'm driving right now, but I've gotten real used to my Magnum Opus. But for this event, you have to use their car, and it handles the same way that the drink tastes. So that should give you a pretty good indication. Yeah, it's gonna be rough. I am probably not going to pass this race, but I'll show you. I'll show it to you. And yeah, that'll give you a good idea of the whole Mad Max RockStar Energy Drink crossover universe that I'm currently living in. Alright, there's our crow guy. Alright, Chum Bucket, you chill out here with the good car.
Yes, I will protect yourself.
I'll be as long as I need to.
Dazzle raises a black wing. I salute your daring.
Uh-huh. Alright, now Barrel Bash. That's the race you have to do for this, as indicated by that little star. RockStar, if you will. And there it is. The Thirst Cutter. I've tried this race about a dozen times, and I could not beat it. So we got to go online for it to count. I'd like to win. They actually have a top prize here of a really cool looking golf cart that looks all Mad Maxy. Yeah, the Polaris RZR, and you know it's got like, oh shit, hey, look at that, I'm racing. I shouldn't be reading. Every time you hit one of these, oh, I missed that apparently. Don't know how. I'm going to assume it's because I didn't actually hit a barrel, but you know, I went through the goddamn thing, and there you go. Look at that turn. Alright, I bashed the barrel. Onward. Alright, already at less than full health. I'm actually not sure what happens if you die in this. That hasn't happened to me yet. I will give them credit for that. But honestly, that might be a mercy at this point. Because if you get so far behind that you're never going to catch up, there's no quick way to quit out. You just have to suffer for the entire minute and a half, I believe it was, that the race lasts. Especially one time I went through, I absolutely hit every barrel. I hit barrels and it wasn't registering them. So, God, this is ugly. But please, feel free to log on, record yourself racing it. Show me up. Show me what I'm doing wrong. I want to win that golf cart. Win it and then give it to me. "20 seconds, I'll totally catch up and beat them all." Oh, god damn it. Does it count? No. Nope. Alright, let's retry one more time. Why not? Video's not that long. Cut to 4 hours later. We just keep going out of compulsion. Need to see the end. Honestly, it's hard to complain about this because it is free content, but if I were a RockStar, I'd be pissed that our car like didn't handle the best. Like if we're paying you, it should handle. Oh, you dick. Yeah, it should handle at least second best in the game. I would personally be furious, but you know, I don't work for them. Or do I? Maybe that's the whole point of this video. Maybe that's the. Maybe they're paying me to poorly demonstrate their car, to repeatedly call their product poison. Maybe they're into that. Ah, good. Phone's ringing. Hope you guys can't hear that. Say this is the best I'm doing, and by saying that, I absolutely, positively jinxed myself. It's gonna get real quiet here because now I'm actually doing well enough that I have a chance. I did not foresee that happening. Just enjoy the driving. Oh my god, I did it. Hey, and there's a trophy. Alright, I'll take it. New best. Probably just for my... Oh, no, I think I hit retry. Oh, fuck. Fuck. I gotta learn to read. I really gotta learn to read. Yep. I think they'll still count it, though. I don't think they're gonna... That'd be insane if they didn't, right? Well, hey, now you guys have seen it happen. So, yeah. Feel free to cut off this video. I will end it right after I fail miserably again. And yeah, I see the ramp there. I don't trust it. Honestly, I after that last one, I think turtling slow but steady is the right maneuver, because if you pick up too much speed whenever you hit this, it does completely spin you around, and it's one of those things that punishes you for being greedy. It's weird that a racing game doesn't want you to go fast. I mean, usually it does. Usually this game is really encouraging about that, but they've taken away my good car. Alright, look at that. I made this jump this time without freaking the fuck out. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to getting that other can. I'm going to, because I'm glad that someone's tying in with a game I care about. Halo series kind of has had Halo and Warcraft and Call of Duty. They've had all of the promotions like the last 7 years. That's a number I'm making up off the top of my head. Look at that, twice. Oh, god damn it. Why would I say that? Ah, man, Jesus. That's what I get for being proud. But hey, new best score. I'm hitting X. Successfully uploaded. That golf cart is mine, hopefully. Alright, so yeah, this is a RockStar's tie-in with, thanks for joining.